Hi guys, welcome to today's video which promises to be an exciting one. Well, I've been longing to try using edge control, gel, how people use gel to make hair. So I've been longing to try it and then I thought, okay, let me just try it on my daughter's hair. My daughter has a very thick hair texture. So even after stretching her hair, the hair was still looking very thick. So I said, okay, let me use gel to see how sleek her hair will be after making it. So I started from the back. After stretching the whole of the hair, I started by sectioning the back. Meanwhile, we are going to be doing jumbo box braid, like you can see from the title of this video. So I use the gel to give the parts a defined look. So I made sure I had clean parts on this hair because I want the hair to look very clean, very neat by the time I was done. So I made sure to massage the gel, the hair wax into her hair so that when I'm gripping it, I won't be leaving any hair out. So she has a very coily hair and very thick hair. So I made sure to um apply the gel or the hair wax on all corners of the hair. Whilst I was making her hair, she was busy playing with her friends and I was trying to make sure that she puts her hair for me to make. You know how it is with kids, making their hair isn't easy. So I continued from the back. I made sure to use my comb to stretch all the coily hair strands at the back part of her hair. And then if you want to make knotless braids, you section the hair into three like I am doing in this video. Make sure to grip it from the roots and try to grip as many coily hair as possible. Then after braiding like 4 to 5 times, you add your first extension, and then I'm trying to add extension in a very different way. I'm just trying things that I see people do and see how it's going to come out. Well, I must confess, this hair came out looking very, very elegant, very demure, and it's something I would like you to try. So I was halfway done on the hair, and then I thought that okay, let me just make a video to show you how I finished up with the hair because I don't want the video to be long. That's why I did not film when I was making the other parts. So when I got to half of the hair, I tried to um narrow the broadness of the circle, like by making a closed part at the back. Yeah. So after making these three section here at the back, then I parted it into two equal halves from the front. Just watch me as I make the hair and learn one or two. So before I will continue with this voiceover, please, if you have not subscribed to the channel, do well to hit the subscribe button, drop a comment, share the video, and do every other good stuff just to support me on this YouTube journey. Oh, yeah. So, guys, feed your box braid with as much extension as you want. If you know that you have fed the box braid to the size that you want, then you stop. Like I said, I sectioned the middle part, the remaining parts of the hair from the middle, just so that I'll get the perfect lines. And we're trying something new, which is the hair wax. So I applied it as much as I could, and yeah, I finished up with the hair and it was looking fine. Even after 1 week of making this hair was still looking neat. And everywhere my daughter went, people were always asking her, how did you get this part this neat? Was it your mom that made your hair? This hair is so lovely. Can I book a session with your mom? And yada, yada, yada. And my daughter was always happy when people ask her about her hair. And then she'll come up to me and say, Mommy, this mommy says she likes my hair. This auntie says she likes my hair. And that is what my intentions wear when I was making the hair, when I was trying this gel. Well, initially, when I see people using gel, it's not something I'm used to, so that's why I don't use it. But right now, I think maybe I'll be using it more because it helps to relax this her type of hair, because her hair is very thick, like I said in the beginning of this video. Okay, so guys, I don't want to do any much talking because my mouth is beginning to ache me. Just watch the video and I'll see you again in my next one. Until then, guys, bye.